my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I am going to show you guys a few things that I got for fall and also some beauty items. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie and I like making home decor videos, also beauty, lifestyle, and more. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, be sure to like and subscribe. Alright, we're just going to jump right into it. The first item that I want to show you guys, it is some pumpkins. And I found these pumpkins, I want to say 2 weeks ago. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw them on my story. So these are the pumpkins that I got. I ended up getting 5 of them because I thought they were so cute. So I'm going to display them on my dining table, also on my kitchen. And I might take a few of them into my bedroom. I do plan on doing a DIY with this, I almost said candles. I am planning on doing a DIY with these pumpkins. So stay tuned for that. I want to do like a transformation. You guys are going to see what I'm going to do with them. And I'm sure you're going to really enjoy it. I wanted to get them in the color white because I do have a lot of white here in my kitchen and also all around my house. So I thought they went perfect with my style. And here you have it. I'm going to do a close-up so that you can see how they look. And here we have 2 more. So there you go. A total of 5. They do not even look like they are from the Dollar Tree. So cute. If you saw my home decor haul, my previous video, you probably saw these pumpkins. I made a little sneak peek. This one's right here. I'm going to be using them on my patio. I did place one of them in like on Leo's little dining table and it looks so adorable. I did show you guys how it looks. And this is how they look like. They also had some orange ones. I'll add some clips so that you guys can see the other stuff that they had as well. These pumpkins, you guys, are made out of glass. So if you have little ones, just make sure you are careful with them. They're so adorable. Now I'm going to show you the salt and pepper shakers that I got. They are so unique. I've never seen something like this at the Dollar Tree. This is how they look like. They're little squirrels. I bought 4 of them. I'm not going to be using them for salt and pepper. I'm actually going to use them for decor. And I think they match perfectly with this pumpkin. Look how cute that is. Even with this pumpkin too. Either or, they're going to look adorable. There you go. And there you have it. So cute. And there were 2 for $1, so you cannot go wrong with that. The next item that I got, also, it is this rope. And I'm planning on doing like a garland. And I also found these leaves right here. And I believe it comes with 5, so I got 2 of them. And I'll show you how I'll do that maybe when I do the DIY for the pumpkin. So stay tuned for that video. So yeah, this is what I got. I also found this metal words that says thankful, harvest, and welcome. I have the one that says harvest right here. And it was a pack of 3 for only $1. And then I also have the one that says welcome. I honestly don't know where the thankful one is at. I think it's in the back patio, I want to say. So this is how they look like. Super duper cute. For only $1. Maybe we can take this off. Actually, I cannot take it off. I would have to rip it off. But you can kind of see how they look like. And they had them in different colors. I am excited to be doing this DIY. I love doing DIYs, although I don't have a lot of DIYs in my channel. Okay, so now that I finished showing you guys all of the things that I got for fall, I'm going to show you some beauty stuff that I found. I got some nail polish. I used them the other day. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw me. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that I did activity night and we did our nails. So these are the nail polishes that I used. And I found them at the Dollar Tree. Super cute. And then I also, this is not fall related, but I thought it was really cute. I got this for Rosa so that she can place all of her earrings in here. And they also had them in gold. What's the other color that they had? They had 3 different colors. I cannot remember what colors they were. But I grabbed the silver because it matches perfect with her room. And it was only $1. So it's like a mini jewelry box. Just like that. So cute. And it's not too heavy for her, so it's going to be perfect. I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my last item. And the other day I was talking to one of my friends on Instagram. She's also a YouTuber. She always loves to get her nails done. And I told her how I no longer do my nails at the salon. I use press-ons. And I want to share with you guys where I get my press-ons. The ones that I'm wearing right now are actually press-ons. Right here, as you can see. And they're really fun and cute. And I also get them at the Dollar Tree. So like I said, I stopped doing them about, I want to say 2 years ago. I was never really satisfied with my nails the way the nail lady did them. So I decided to start using press-ons, and they work great for me. I mean, it's a lot cheaper than getting your nails done. I never seen this brand right here. It's pretty new to me, and it comes with 24 nails, and it also comes with glue and a little nail filer. And what else? Oh, also it has I'm gonna for you guys so that you can see how it looks inside. Like I said, this is the first time I see this brand at the Dollar Tree. If you're familiar with it, please let me know if you have seen different styles. This is the one that I picked up, and it comes with some glue and also like a nail filer, and on the back it comes with this little plastics. In case you do not want to use glue, you can also use this. I'm not sure how many days they last, but I have seen this kind of style of glue before on little press-on nails for girls, for little girls. I think it's a lot safer, but if you do not want to use this glue, you can always have this right here as an option. And it also comes with a little prep pad for your nails. So I think this is a great deal for only 99 cents. I was really excited when I saw them, and I ended up picking 2 because they only had these 2 styles, which they're cute. They're different. So I can totally see this at Target or Walmart or any drugstore for probably like $10, 7 to 10. So the fact that I found it there for only $1, it is a major score. Okay, so are you guys ready for this? So these are all my press-on nails that I got. I'll do a close-up of all of them so that you guys can see them. But I just got a bunch of them because I thought they were so cute, and they had a lot to choose from. So I ended up getting 1 or 2 of each. They also have them in pointy nails. That's how they look like. Then this kind as well. Then, okay, let me see. Oh, right here, these nude ones are fun. And I replace them every, what, 3 to 4 days, depending on how I'm feeling. This one's right here, too. over here we have some red ones. Ooh, so pretty, right? This is the glue that I use for my nails, and they last me, I want to say, from 2 to 3 days. I like replacing my nails because they do start looking a little funky. These ones are from today, and this is how they look like. Oh, and this is the glue. So if you are interested, be sure to check out your local Dollar Tree, and it is just super glue. As the cashier, and she'll direct you to where this glue is at. Also, when my chandelier broke down, I used that glue. I use that glue for a lot of things, so it comes in handy, not just for nails. But that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this Dollar Tree haul. And yeah, so I highly recommend you guys to use this kind of nails. Like I said, if you're on a budget and you have a party or something that you want to look pretty and you want your nails to look nice, because I tend to bite my nails, so that's the reason why I have to have them done, especially when I do my videos. When you see me with no nails, it does not look right. Even my mom comes after me. She's like, Leslie, you need to go get your nails done or put your little press-on nails because it does not look good. So I try to always have my press-on nails. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below, what is it that you enjoy the most about this Dollar Tree haul? Have you tried the press-on nails before? Are you decorating with, what's it called, fall decor from the Dollar Tree? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear what your thoughts are. And that is my nail collection from the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Also, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the press-on nails? They usually last me about 2 to 3 days. And that's just me doing everything, like from cleaning to vacuuming to doing dishes, and they stay on pretty good. But if you want to peel them off, they're pretty easy to take off as well. Cute my Dollar Tree decor is. Ooh, and it goes well with the purse.